Even the little guys need some TLC sometimes. Oh, print is done. I occasionally get asked how I mount my GoPros to my drones. There are a lot of really good universal mounting solutions out there, but because I have a 3D printer, I've always liked to print frame-specific mounts. Right now I use two styles of mounts. This is a fairly basic wedge that you loop a Velcro strap through, you tighten down the GoPro, and you're good to go. This works fairly well, it's very lightweight. What I don't like about this though is it relies on this Velcro strap, which sometimes will break and send your GoPro flying. I've been pretty lucky that the GoPro doesn't slip out too often, like it's in there pretty good, but that seems like something that could happen. The other style of mount that I use is something I designed myself, and it's essentially an attachment for the frame that comes with your GoPro session. What I like about this is it's really easy to slip the GoPro in and remove it. I feel like the plastic frame offers a little bit of protection, and I very rarely have a GoPro eject from this style of mount. It's stayed on through some pretty intense stuff. The downside to this mount though, it relies on this frame, which can get broken. It's also a bit on the heavy side because you've got the plastic frame and a metal screw and a nut, and I think I've come up with something that I hope will give me the best of both worlds. I'd seen other mounts out there that wrapped around the whole GoPro and you either just strapped or zip tied down to the top of your frame. I wanted to design something that attached specifically to the frame that I use, which is the Fusion. So I've got I wanted to stop by Excel today, so let's head out. While we're out, I'm gonna try and find a spot to test out this new mount. Well, really the test that matters is how well does it hold up to a really hard crash, and I'm not looking to do that today. Oh my gosh, you'll never believe who joined. It's Emily. It's just crazy because like we never hang out. Yeah, that was not one of the quads that I had waterproofed, so we're just gonna let it dry off there. Still had a good time, even though the session got cut a little bit short. The sun has been really kind to me today. It's just always, I feel like it's just been giving me tons of really pretty yeah. had to pull over because I just cannot get enough of this sun. Have I mentioned that the sun and the sky are just unbelievably pretty today? I love going to Excel. I wish it was closer though. The drive is always so long, and I've made it a lot worse because I keep stopping to take videos of this situation. We're only like 5 more minutes away though.
That's right, don't come
What's
in
up?
empty-handed.
I know, that's right. You scolded me last time. You don't go to Excel without the camera. I know the rules.
What's going on?
We got dogs! Oh, shoot! We got a shop dog.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, wait, thumbnail. Tiny Whoop Killer? Oh, shit. What?
Oh, now that was a good flip right there. Oh, look at that.
Dang. What? Oh!
It cartwheels.
What is this?
It's the Team Black Sheep micro.
There's like no chance my Tiny Whoop can keep up with that. Bang.
Take it easy, guys.
Bye, everyone. Always a good time at Excel. Solid outing. Always end up spending longer at the shop than I mean to. It's fun to hang out with those guys. Emily's hanging out. I think I've got about 20 minutes before some more people show up, so I'm gonna try and squeeze in a bit of editing. The people showed up. I think my work is coming to an end. We're gonna be making gingerbread houses. Got everything you need. Candy, frosting, sprinkles, more candy, and most importantly,
Yeah.